Hi, I'm Sneha and this is my data administration project. In this project, I'll be using Database Visualizer as my database management tool and Oracle 11g as a database. What's Database Visualizer? Database Visualizer is a universal database tool for developers and the database administrators, helping you with both the development and the maintenance for your databases. Let's see the tool. Okay, this is a database visualizer. Let's create a new connection using a wizard. Let's name the connection as connection 1. Select database driver as Oracle Thin. The localhost name here will be skTK3 server.ursad.urs.edu. Your connection type will be SID. The user ID here will be system. Password here will be password 123. Okay, everything is fine and we'll finish and the connection is established. Let's fire some queries and check. Okay, let's create a table. Create table manager. Create table manager with its first column as first name, varchar 2, the data type and the data size. Let's take 15 and not null. The second column, let's take as last name with varchar 2 15 not null. Okay, let's execute the query. Okay, it's done. Let's check if it's created by filing a query. Select star query, select star from the table name was manager. Let's execute this query. Okay, see here, the manager table is created with the first column as first name and the second column is the last name. Okay, let's enter some entries in the table. Manager table. Okay, insert into manager values. The first name as Sneha, the last name as Katkari. Just enter multiple entries. Okay, insert into manager values. Same. Some girl's name. Let's take something like Rita. And James. And let's run this query. This query is executed. Let's check if the entries are done in the table. Select star from manager. Run this query. Yeah, we can see that in manager table the entries Sneha and Rita are entered. Okay, now let's go to the server part. In the server, let's create a new user. Okay, first we'll go to the command prompt, then here we need to add SQL plus as DBA, and again it's connected to the Oracle database 11G. And now let's create a new user. Create user Sneha1, identified by password 123. Then let's give a permission to the client to connect to the database. For that you need to write grant connect to Sneha1. Granted succeeded. And the next thing we need to give is a permission for creation of tables. Grant create table to Sneha. If you want to give some unlimited space, we can give a command like alter user Sneha 1 quota unlimited on users. Here I made a mistake writing grant create table to Sneha, where I should have written Sneha 1. So grant create table to Sneha 1. Okay, it's done. Now let's go back to the DB visualizer. Okay, now for here let's again, now we need to create a new connection using a wizard. Let the connection name be connection 2 Oracle thing, the same thing, but here everything we need to do same except the authentication part, as we have created new user. The connection type will be SID and the localhost will be sktk3 server.uis.ed.uis.edu. Okay, the username we created was Sneha1 and the password was password 123. Okay, finish. And the second connection is done. Now we have successfully created the connection for the new user that we created in the server. So let's fire some queries in this. So your connection 2 and the schema is Sneha 1. In this table, let's in this thing, let's fire some queries and check. Let's create a table employee 1, see, and the first name, varchar 2, the data type, and the size C 20. 20 and not null. Now let's check second entry to say department name. First take last name and then department name. Department name varchar 2 size 20 not null and department varchar 2 20 not null. It's done. Okay, let's execute it and check if it's right. Okay, it's done. Let's see if this table is created by finding a new query. Select star from employee 1. Okay, it's done, and the table is created with the first column as first name, second column as last name, and the third column as department. Now let's add some entries to the table. Insert into employee 1. Values. See, first name was, let's take some random Joy. Then last name as James and department as finance. We can insert some more queries like entries. Insert into employee 1 values. Troy, Jacob. The department B, IT. Okay, let's execute these queries and they are done. Now let's see if these entries are updated in the table. Select from employee 1. Yeah, we can see tables updated with first name Joy, last name James, and the department finance, and similar for the second entry too. Here we can see that giving the creating a new user, and then we have created a new user in the server, and then we have created a database for it here in the database visualizer, accessing that user. I mean giving rights to that user. Now let's see some features which come with database visualizer, that is comprehensive data, like comprehensive database and operating system support, database object management, table data management, export database object and table data. We are done. Thank you.